accident while y'all guys is out here, because y'all gonna wrap it up. So be safe out here while you're driving, because this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna crash into another car. Everybody out here rushing. You cannot put your foot on the gas pedal like you crazy. You're gonna have an accident. Take your time. You got people stuck on the highway. Take your time while you out here. If not, you're gonna crash into somebody else. Like these people here that's stuck. They got two-wheel, front-wheel drive. Is the worst thing to have in this snow. It's front-wheel drive. You need all four tires moving. And if you are, you can't be gunning it. And that's the reason why you ain't going nowhere. You're gunning it. You ain't never gonna catch traction. But these people know everything.